Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. In the golden dawn's embrace, we rise, awakening to nature's tender sighs. Through whispered winds, secrets unfold. A symphony of life, stories yet untold. Beneath the moon's ethereal glow, shadows dance, casting a mystical show. Stars ignite, weaving dreams in the night. Sunset paints the canvas with hues divine. A masterpiece of colors, nature's design. With each stroke, the world comes alive, a kaleidoscope of wonder to revive. In this tapestry of life's endless quest, we find solace, amidst nature's bequest. For in its embrace, we're forever free, bound by the beauty that sets our spirits free. The Dogon symbols, which predate the cosmology they are associated with, hold significant importance in the study of ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs and advanced science. In Laird Scranton's book, Sacred Symbols of the Dogon, The Key to Advanced Science in the Ancient Egyptian Hieroglyphs, he explores the deep connections between Dogon symbolism and ancient cosmological knowledge. These symbols, with their origins traced back to the Dogon people, reveal a profound understanding of cosmic principles and scientific concepts. In traditional Kabbalistic teachings, the Tree of Life is commonly depicted as consisting of 10 emanations or spheres, with Keter, crown, representing the highest point. It is noteworthy that the Dogon symbols, being older than the cosmology they are associated with, offer an alternative perspective on the interconnectedness of spiritual and scientific knowledge. The presence of these ancient symbols suggests a broader and more diverse tapestry of cosmological understanding, transcending specific cultural and mythological narratives. Sociology scholars have made invaluable contributions by analyzing and interpreting various mythological and religious systems, including the intersections between different belief systems. Their work sheds light on the diverse ways in which societies conceptualize and articulate spiritual and cosmological understandings. By considering the cultural and historical context of these interpretations, we can gain deeper insights into the rich and complex tapestry of human thought and its connection to cosmological perspectives. If there are specific sociological studies or alternative interpretations of the Tree of Life, including the inclusion of the Dogon symbols or concepts like the black matter, that you would like to explore further, please let me know, and I will do my best to provide relevant insights based on the available information. With that in mind, let's explore the sectors and their correspondence. 1. Ausser, Keter, unconditional, Keter, self-identity fully evolved man, the first sphere of the Tree of Life corresponds to the realm of human self-identity. In the context of the perfected and evolved mind and woman, their identity is symbolized by 0, representing the absence of conditioning and limitations. From a sociological perspective, Keter signifies a state of being that aligns with the fundamental nature of energy/matter, which science affirms as neither created nor destroyed. It signifies the boundless essence within human consciousness, free from constraints and embodying limitless potential. 2. Tuhuti, Chokma, force, wisdom. Chokma, the second sphere of the Tree of Life, corresponds to the will of the all and all, as well as the elevated state of both men and women. Sociologically, Chokma, through our exploration, we come to understand that the entirety of creation emerges from the diverse manifestations of a singular, eternal, and boundless energy/matter. It serves as the dynamic conduit through which the intentions and desires originating from Chokma are manifested and realized. This harmonious synergy between the divine and the evolved human beings becomes the transformative force that brings about the fulfillment of the divine will. 3. Seker T, Binah, form, foundation. The third sphere of the Tree of Life corresponds to the spiritual power emanating from the all and all, encompassing the evolved essence of both men and women. Binah is the spiritual potency of the universal essence, and the awakened human beings represents the driving force that actualizes the intentions of Chokma, serving as the vessel for the fulfillment of divine will. The third sphere of the Tree of Life aligns with the spiritual potency emanating from the all and all, as well as the evolved nature of both men and women. It serves as the vehicle through which the intentions of the second sphere, the realm of will, are manifested. However, the actualization of that potential depends on the means or the power available to transform it into reality. Sociologically, it serves as the conduit through which the intentions of the second sphere, chokma, are actualized. This harmonious connection becomes the vehicle for the manifestation of all that is willed at the level of chokma. In pop culture, Binah is depicted as the Grim Reaper. 4. Mat, chest, wisdom and justice. Chest, the fourth sphere of the tree of life, corresponds to the realm where man's intuitive understanding of law and order resides. To truly understand human behavior, we need to move away from the belief that law and order in society solely depend on individuals making rules and enforcing them. It's important to recognize that the process of creating laws involves more than just individuals, it includes larger social systems and factors. These factors, such as societal norms, cultural influences, and political processes, shape how laws are developed and applied. Taking a sociological perspective allows us to see the broader picture and understand that law and order are influenced by a range of factors way beyond the individual as the cause of the problem in a civilized society. To truly comprehend human behavior, it is crucial to transcend the belief that the establishment and enforcement of laws and rules by strict legislative enactments alone fails humanity by ignoring quality of life is for all sentient beings. Sociologically, chest corresponds to the domain of justice and balance. She is never blind, her scales are for divine justice, as opposed to blind justice. However, the innate ability to intuitively perceive the abstract general class, or whole, to which specific life issues belong, serves as the basis for this superior form of cognition. It allows for a deep understanding that extends beyond traditional logical frameworks, enabling individuals to tap into intuitive insights and comprehend the interconnectedness of diverse phenomena in the cosmos. 5. Harukuti, Gevara, severity, the warrior. Gevara, the fifth sphere of the tree of life, serves as the locus of humanity's analytical faculty. It is vital to rectify the popular misconception regarding the term analysis. When an individual reaches this stage of evolution, its transformative influence extends to the cognitive functions of the mind. The outcome is the natural establishment of emotional order, giving rise to moral behavior, and the cultivation of intuitive thinking that is in harmony with the cosmic order. The fifth sphere encompasses the faculty through which individuals intuitively grasp and apply the principles of justice. It is fundamentally based on one's ability to distinguish oneself from their personal identity, thereby enabling the invocation of punishments, constraints, and regulations upon oneself that they would impose on others. Gevara represents a fundamental principle conveyed by the Tree of Life is to defend the laws of Maat. Mars is the warrior defending justice based up quality of life for all humanity. It represents the institutions and mechanisms that enforces social stability, enforce regulations, and ensure the protection of individual rights within a just and orderly society. 6. Heru, Tifereth, Golden Mean, the sixth sphere of the Tree of Life holds utmost significance among all the spheres. It is the realm where the equilibrium of the being of both man and woman is established. This sphere encompasses the essence of the Golden Mean, the state of being centered and connected to the world without being confined by it. Within this pivotal sphere, known as Tifereth, the golden thread of the Golden Mean weaves its significance. Here, the pursuit of balance, harmony, and the transcendence of worldly limitations finds its essence. It is a realm where the transformative power of the individual's journey towards wholeness and self-realization is illuminated. It is crucial to recognize that the notion of will reflects its everyday significance. When an individual declares, "I will do this," it signifies a possibility or potentiality. 7. Het Heru, Netzik, vision, eternity. Netzik, the seventh sphere of the Tree of Life, encompasses the faculty of imagination, which, while not yet fully evolved, has been widely recognized for its profound impact on all civilizations. However, it is important to acknowledge that in contemporary times, the role of imagination in art, both for children and adults, has become increasingly overshadowed by destructive influences. Despite this, the innate potential of the imagination to weave intricate details into a cohesive and meaningful whole remains a fundamental aspect of its essence. It symbolizes the creative expressions that shape societal values, identity, and collective consciousness, fostering a sense of shared beauty and harmony. 8. Sebek, Hod, lightning path, glory. Hod, the 8th sphere of the tree of life, stands in stark contrast to the 7th sphere, where the 7th sphere harmonizes and coordinates individual parts to construct unified wholes. The 8th sphere operates in an opposing manner by dissecting and separating complete entities into their constituent parts. The 8th sphere operates in an opposing manner by dissecting and separating complete entities into their constituent parts. 9. Auset, Isis, Yesod, Gaia, Mother Earth, the Mother, Nurturer of all. The 9th sphere of the tree of life governs the faculty of learning in the early stages of human development. Situated within the lower division of humanity's spiritual realm, it symbolizes our spiritual infancy. During this phase, learning primarily occurs through external sources, such as interactions with other individuals and living beings. The process of acquiring knowledge involves imitation and following the examples set by others. This applies to all educational experiences, ranging from informal street knowledge to formal academic pursuits, irrespective of their secular or spiritual nature. Presented are some of the correspondence between each of the emanations of the tree of life. 1. Their elements from nature, including flowers, rock minerals, and 2. The 4 classical elements, earth, air, fire, and water, highlighting their universal symbolism for each. 1. Auser, Keter, potential, crown. Flower, lotus flower, which represents purity and spiritual enlightenment in various mythological traditions. Rock mineral, diamond, symbolizing clarity, purity, and divine illumination. Elements, Keter can be associated with the element of Akasha or ether, representing the transcendent and spiritual essence that pervades all elements and realms. 2. Tuhudi, Chokma, force, wisdom. Flower, orchid, known for its beauty, rarity, and intricate patterns, symbolizing wisdom and enlightenment. Rock mineral, amethyst, a crystal associated with insight, spiritual awareness, and higher consciousness. Elements, Chokma corresponds to the element of air, representing intellectual pursuits, communication, and the realm of ideas. 3. Sekerti, Bana, form, understanding. Flower, granite, symbolizing knowledge, wisdom, and the nurturing aspect of understanding. Rock mineral, onyx, lead, a stone associated with wisdom, truth, and deep spiritual insight. Elements, Bana can be linked to the element of water, representing emotional depth, intuition, and the flowing nature of understanding. 4. Mot, chest, will, kindness. Flower, aloes, symbolizing justice, optimistic, fortunate, law-abiding, fair and charitable. And honeysuckle, striving for advancement, holistic, generous, sharing, optimistic and expansive. Rock mineral, lapis lazuli. Elements, chest corresponds to the element of water, representing the nurturing and healing aspects of kindness. 5. Harukuti, Gevara, severity. Flower, cactus flower, symbolizing resilience, strength, and the ability to withstand harsh conditions. Rock mineral, red coral, a stone associated with grounding, strength, and discipline. Elements, Gevara can be associated with the element of fire, representing the transformative, assertive, and disciplined aspects of severity. 6. Heru, Tifereth, the will. Rock mineral, ruby, representing the beauty of love, compassion, and emotional healing. Elements, Tifereth corresponds to the element of fire, representing passion, creativity, and the radiant aspects of the will. 7. Het Heru, Netzik, vision, eternity. Flower, honeysuckle, symbolizing everlasting beauty, strength, and spiritual endurance. Rock mineral, diamond, associated with abundance, manifestation, and the vitality of eternal energy. Elements, Netzik can be linked to the element of earth, representing stability, growth, and the enduring aspects of eternity. 8. Sebek, Hod, lightning path, glory. Flower, sunflower, symbolizing radiance, vitality, and the glory of the sun. Rock mineral, pyrite, known as fool's gold, representing the reflective and shining aspects of glory. Elements, Hod corresponds to the element of earth, representing communication, language, crossroads. 9. Auset, Yesod, portal, foundation. Flower, jasmine, symbolizing purity, fertility, and the foundation of life. Rock mineral, pearls, associated with clarity, balance, and the solid foundation of energy. Elements, Yesod can be associated with the element of water, representing emotions, domestic life, mother, wife, to nurture, be receptive. These correspondences demonstrate the universal symbolism found in different belief systems, where elements from nature, flowers, minerals, and the classical elements of earth, air, fire. In closing, Motivation at Hand, MAH, embarks on a journey of discovery, inviting us to look beyond the surface level differences that divide us and instead focus on the profound interconnectedness of our motivations. By recognizing the universal aspects that drive us, Ma paves the way for meaningful dialogue, empathy, and collaboration. As we come to understand the correspondence of all humanity, we have the opportunity to foster greater understanding, cultivate a shared sense of purpose, and build a world where our collective motivations guide us towards unity, compassion, and a brighter future for generations to come. Let us embrace the power of motivation as a unifying force and embark on this transformative journey together. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.